Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
In this video, we're diving into the best sewing machines you can buy, whether you're a beginner, a pro, or somewhere in between. From top features to best value picks, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Number 1, Singer M1150 Mechanical Sewing Machine. The Singer M1150 Mechanical Sewing Machine is a compact and lightweight option designed for beginners and hobbyists. It offers 15 built-in stitch applications, including essential, decorative, and stretch stitches, making it versatile for a variety of sewing projects. The 4-step buttonhole function allows for easy garment customization, while the adjustable stitch length and zigzag width provide flexibility for different fabric types. Its front-loading bobbin system ensures smooth threading, and the free arm design helps with cuffs, sleeves, and small projects. With simple controls and durable construction, this sewing machine is a great choice for home use and DIY enthusiasts. Number 2, Brother CS7000X Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Brother CS7000X Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine is a feature-rich and beginner-friendly sewing machine designed for versatility. It offers 70 built-in stitches, including decorative, utility, and quilting stitches, along with 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes for precision. The automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin make setup effortless, while the wide table and free arm provide ample space for larger projects like quilting. With its adjustable sewing speed control, LCD display, and durable metal frame, this machine is ideal for both beginners and experienced sewists looking for a reliable and efficient sewing experience. Number 3, Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine. The Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine is a compact, portable, and beginner-friendly option designed for small household sewing projects. It features double thread stitching, 2-speed control, and a built-in light for enhanced visibility. The machine comes with an extension table for added workspace, making it easier to handle larger fabrics. Its foot pedal operation allows for hands-free control, while the pre-threaded design ensures quick setup. Ideal for DIY projects, home repairs, and beginners, this lightweight sewing machine is a convenient and affordable choice for anyone looking to start sewing with ease. Number 4, Brother XR3774 Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Brother XR3774 is a full-featured sewing and quilting machine designed for both beginners and experienced users. It offers 37 built-in stitches, including decorative and quilting stitches, along with a one-step buttonhole function for added versatility. The wide table provides ample space for larger projects, while the automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin ensure smooth operation. With adjustable stitch length and width, a free arm for sewing cuffs and sleeves, and an included quilting foot, this machine is perfect for tackling a variety of sewing and quilting tasks with ease. Number 5, Singer M1000 Mending Machine. The Singer M1000 Mending Machine is a compact and lightweight sewing machine designed for quick repairs and small sewing projects. It features 32 stitch applications, making it ideal for hemming, fixing seams, and handling basic sewing needs. With a top drop-in bobbin for easy threading and a free arm for sewing cuffs and sleeves, it's user-friendly and convenient. The preset stitch length and width simplify operation, making it a great choice for beginners or those looking for a portable machine for on-the-go mending. Number 6, Singer Heavy Duty 4423 Mechanical Sewing Machine. The Singer Heavy Duty 4423 is a powerful, high-speed mechanical sewing machine designed for both beginners and experienced sewists. With a strong metal frame and a powerful motor, it delivers 1,100 stitches per minute, allowing for fast and efficient sewing on a variety of fabrics, including denim and canvas. It features 23 built-in stitches, including basic, stretch, and decorative options, as well as a one-step buttonhole function. The automatic needle threader and top drop-in bobbin ensure easy setup, while the included accessory kit provides essential presser feet, bobbins, needles, and more. Ideal for home projects, repairs, and creative sewing, the 4423 model is built for durability and versatility. Number 7. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. The Brother XM2701 is a lightweight, full-featured sewing machine designed for beginners and experienced sewists alike. It offers 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, blind hem, zigzag, and stretch stitches, along with a one-step auto-size buttonholer for easy buttonholes. The automatic needle threader and top drop-in bobbin make setup simple, while the free arm design allows for effortless sewing of cuffs, sleeves, and pant hems. This compact and portable machine includes 6 sewing feet and an instructional DVD, making it a great choice for everyday sewing, repairs, and creative projects.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.